Hello guys, I use my phone Vivo Y20. This version 4GB RAM memory and 64GB internal memory. Start unpacking. Look, completion. In completion we have protective back cover, adapter for charging and micro USB cable. That's all completion. Okay. Now talk about device. Device made of plastic. On the back side, triple camera LED. On the front side, 6.5-inch display front camera. On this side, slot for tuner SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On the right side, power key and long keys. Power key with fingerprint scanner. Downside USB, micro USB port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Okay. Turn on. Open settings. We have 10 Android, FunTouch OS 10.5, Android 10, okay, and look, Geekbench 5 score. CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 460 and Adreno 610, resolution display PPA, 4+4 cores, 1.6 and 1.8 GHz, and this CPU test results. Okay, close this, look under the benchmark results, okay, and run Guitar San Andreas demanded game. Resume game. Game works very good, without lags and glitches. And game works on the maximum graphic level. Yep. Very good gameplay. Okay, close this and now talk about camera. We have main camera, triple camera, 8+2+2 megapixels. And now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.